subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung has launched its new smartphone under A series in Russia called Galaxy A12 Nacho. And although it is quite similar to original Galaxy A12 smartphone, but it has some difference in terms of specifications. Talking about the specifications, the Galaxy A12 Nacho features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with 20:9 aspect ratio, and it has a V-shaped notch at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie camera with f2.2 aperture. The rear panel of the phone houses a quad camera setup in a squarish module at the top left corner that includes a 48-megapixel main camera with f2.0 aperture plus 5-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 123-degree field of view plus 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Galaxy A12 Nacho comes powered by Exynos 850 chipset, paired with Mali G52MP1 GPU, and it packs with 3 or 4GB of RAM and 32, 64 or 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. The device comes equipped by massive 5000 mAh battery with 15W fast charging support, and it runs on Android 11 based on One UI 3.1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164 by 75.8 by 8.9mm, and it weighs around 205 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Galaxy A12 Nacho has been priced in Russia for 3GB plus 32GB storage variant at 11,990 Russian rubles, while the 4GB plus 64GB storage model is priced at 13,990 Russian rubles, and the higher variant with 4GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 16,990 Russian rubles. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in black, blue and red color options. So what do you guys think of this Galaxy A12 Nacho smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.